After watching this lesson, make sure to check out my website where you can learn about my premium English video courses and how to get in touch with me for one-on-one lessons together. Link in the description. Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is awesome to see you again. My name's Grant. I'm an American English teacher, and this channel is all about how you can become a better, clearer, and more confident English speaker. Today, we are going to talk about a set of words that students make mistakes with all the time. Have not and don't have. You should not use these the same way. They should be used for different situations. Today, I'll explain exactly when you should use each of these, and you will get some practice using these phrases for yourself. If you watch this video and understand everything, you should be able to use these phrases correctly and confidently. Let's get started. Okay, guys, first let's talk about haven't. You should use haven't when you have an action or a verb next. For example, I haven't played soccer in a long time. Played is an action. It is a verb. She hasn't studied today. Remember, have will change to has if you have a singular subject. Here, studied is also a verb. Maybe you know that has or have plus a past participle verb is the present perfect verb tense. So when you use haven't or hasn't, you should have an action next, and that verb should be in the past participle form. If you don't know what that is, I made a video about the perfect tenses a few months ago. You should check that out. I'll put a link now. Don't have, this will go with a noun, and there should not be a verb after have. I don't have any money. There's no verb after the word have. We're just talking about the noun money. John doesn't have a car. Same thing here. It's just a noun. They don't have food. Noun. However, if you add the word to, you should add a second verb. This isn't the topic for this video, but maybe you know that to plus a verb is called an infinitive. And when you have an infinitive here, it will actually change this phrase's meaning. Don't have, that just means you have none of a noun. But don't have to plus a verb, that would mean that this action, whatever the next verb is not required. It's optional. For example, you don't have to finish the test today. We will have more time tomorrow. It's not required to finish the test today. It's okay if you don't finish. Next, let's talk about have no. You should use this the same way that you use don't have. I don't have any money. I have no money. These sentences have basically the same meaning. John doesn't have a car. John has no car. They don't have food. They have no food. So, as you can see, have no will also be connected with a noun, not a verb. For uncountable and plural nouns, both of these are natural. Don't have and have no. However, for singular nouns, usually don't have is a little bit more natural. So for this example, John doesn't have a car is a little bit more natural than John has no car. One more extra tip. Don't have. This can include a determiner, a word like many, any, or much. For example, I don't have any money. However, with have no, no is the determiner. It means not any. So the next word will always be the noun. This would be wrong. I have no any money. You already have the determiner no. You don't need any. You should just say, I have no money. So when you use have no, the next word will pretty much always be the noun. Okay, now let's practice. For each blank, choose one of the phrases that we talked about in this video. You can pause the video, think of your answers, and when you're ready to see the answers yourself, click play. Okay, here we go. I haven't seen the new Star Wars movie. Seen is the past participle of see. That's a verb. Want to go with me this weekend? That'd be awesome, but I have no time or I don't have time. Either one is okay. No problem, we don't have to go this weekend. It's not required, we could go another time. How about next weekend? Yeah, that works. I don't have any plans then. Here you should say don't have because there's this word any. Remember, have no should not have another determiner. Perfect. I haven't been to the movies in a long time. Been, that is a verb, so we should use haven't. Me too. Let's buy the tickets tonight. The theater probably doesn't have many tickets left. Alright, that is all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, you can leave them below. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, you should definitely do so. And I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.